Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Special Nicole and I am back with a new video. Today I am going to be doing a tutorial for this hairstyle because I posted a clip of it on my Instagram feed and people were asking, can I get a tutorial? And since your girl edges are back, we're back. So let's get into it. For this hairstyle is very simple. You don't need any products at all unless you just want to use some, but I personally am not going to. I'm just going to have my water, some edge control, hairpin. These are the open end hairpin, rubber bands, and a lock comb if you feeling nasty. So let's jump into this quick and easy hairstyle. I was inspired by Dark and Lovely over on Instagram and just revamped the style for the look I was doing for that day. So we're going to do that look today for y'all. Alright, so I'm just spraying a little bit just to make my hair easy to manipulate. So the hairstyle starts with a base of another half up look that I do. I will put that little video here or a photo of that style, and you can find a tutorial for that on Instagram, and I probably have posted it in my shorts as well. But just take this middle section. Even in my down times, I can get you out of my mind, sorry. Hey, I done run 1,000 days just to find you. And we just put a little ponytail here in the middle. Now for our sides, we'll take a small section from each side. I'm going to cross it over this way in front of this ponytail, wrap it around, and secure it with a hairpin. I'll do the same thing on this side. Secure this side with a hairpin or two. So essentially that is the base of the look. This half up look with this crisscross in the front. So now we're going to go through and do the knotted bun. For this is very simple. You're just going to take a section of hair from your ponytail and you're going to attach a rubber band to the end. So a tip for when I did this for the first time, put the rubber band on the thickest part of your section. So don't go all the way down to the end because you see that it's not the same length. It makes it harder to do the roll. So you want to have it on the thickest part where most of your locks are so that you can have a secure end for when you get ready to do this twisting that we're about to do. So we see here we have our section. Alright, and so we're going to take this section and we're going to just separate it into two like this. Alright, and now we have a section. We're going to just roll it inwards over and over again. Just like this. And that's why I say it's good to have your rubber band really secure because all the pressure or weight of this twist is going on that rubber band. So like mine, I didn't have it secured enough, so you can see it's coming undone. So I have to start over. But I promise that it's an easy hairstyle.
You calm down, wanna know how you feel about you and me. Them they do too much, but you in control. Loving that about you. Me, I want it all, oh. She my baby doll, oh. Body they hot, oh. Leading out follow.
And see how it's getting tight on itself. And you just roll it until you get as close to the base of your ponytail as you can. And so now we're at the top. And so I'm going to take these loose ends and just all of it really and just secure it with a hairpin. And may take one or two. And then we go on to the next section. And same thing, just putting it as close as you can to where majority of your locks are. With me, mine are all different lengths, so it's more of a challenge when your hair is when your hair isn't as long in certain areas. For this section, we have some shorter pieces, so I'm trying to keep the shorter pieces together and the longer pieces together, if that makes sense. The same thing, we wrap. And this section is thinner than that first one I did, which doesn't matter. It gives it more character when they're all different sizes. Plus they're all gonna be pinned together, so like I said, it doesn't really matter. It's all one, gonna look like all one bun.
I wanna be wherever you go.
Same thing, we're just gonna pin. So this section is one that is different lengths. So I'm gonna put the rubber band here at the thickest point.
Promise never let it go. Oh wait. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, you my only #1 gotti. Even in my down times, I can get you out of my heart, sorry. Yeah, searching away. Yeah.
Alright, so you have about 1/2 done. So I'm gonna do this other half off camera because I feel like I got the gist of it, and then we'll come back, I'll show you the final results.
I wanna be wherever you go. Oh yeah.
I have finished the top bun. There's really nothing left to do besides lay some edges, make sure the back is laying how I want it. I'm just going to spray some water again. Take my comb.
You got my heart and I think you know. My girl, baby, let me hold you. Wanna make you mine tonight. Oh my, yeah. 1,000 nights searching. I won't stop till you are mine.
So that's this easy updo or half updo that I got from Dark and Lovely, or at least this technique. I feel like you can do this with anything. Like I want to try it with my entire hair in a bun. I know that would be cute. Time consuming but cute. But yes, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next one.
Forever. And I did run 1,000 days just to find you.